One concept that stands as a beacon of enlightenment and transformation is the notion of God consciousness. It is the profound understanding that we are not merely individual beings, but are interconnected with a universal source of infinite wisdom and love. In this video, we will explore what God consciousness truly means, why it is an essential pursuit, and how we can ascend towards it. God consciousness is a state of heightened awareness and divine connection, where we recognize the intrinsic unity that binds all of existence. It goes beyond religious dogmas or traditional notions of God, for it transcends these boundaries. It is the realization that we are an integral part of a vast cosmic intelligence, an integral thread in the fabric of the universe. This concept may manifest differently in various spiritual traditions, but its core essence remains the same, an awakening to the infinite, all-encompassing and benevolent nature of the cosmos. Whether you refer to it as God, the universe, Source, or by any other name, the idea is that we are an expression of a greater divine intelligence. Imagine the universe as an intricate and harmonious web of energy, where every living being, every atom, and every thought is interconnected. In God consciousness, we recognize this interconnectedness and become aware of our role within this cosmic symphony. This profound realization transforms our perception of reality, inviting us to experience life with a newfound sense of purpose, clarity, and compassion. The journey towards God consciousness begins with understanding that we are not separate from divinity, but rather we are a divine expression in human form. This recognition is not confined to religious affiliations or rituals, but can be embraced by individuals of diverse beliefs and backgrounds. It is a universal truth that transcends the boundaries of culture, tradition, and creed. Why should we seek to attain God consciousness? The answer lies in the profound benefits it offers to our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. It is a path of healing, transformation, and self-realization that can elevate our lives to new heights. Here are compelling reasons why we should seek to ascend towards God consciousness. In God consciousness, we discover inner peace that is unshaken by external circumstances. The awareness of our divine nature helps us to detach from the fluctuations of the material world and experience profound serenity. God consciousness is synonymous with boundless love and compassion. As we awaken to our divine essence, we naturally extend love not only to ourselves but to all living beings. This love has the power to heal and transform relationships, fostering unity and understanding. The connection to the cosmic intelligence in God consciousness opens the gateway to profound wisdom and intuition. It becomes easier to make informed decisions, navigate challenges, and lead a life aligned with one's higher purpose. With God consciousness, adversity becomes an opportunity for growth. We develop resilience in the face of challenges, recognizing them as essential steps in our evolution. This resilience empowers us to overcome obstacles and setbacks with grace. Fear, often rooted in the unknown and the sense of separateness, loses its grip in the presence of God consciousness. The awareness of our divine connection dispels fear and anxiety, allowing us to embrace life with courage and confidence. God consciousness has a profound impact on physical and emotional health. Studies suggest that individuals who practice mindfulness and spirituality experience improved immune function, reduced stress, and a greater sense of well-being. As we ascend towards God consciousness, we uncover our life's purpose and mission. This revelation brings a deep sense of fulfillment and clarity, motivating us to contribute positively to the world. The journey towards God consciousness is a deeply personal one. It involves self-reflection, spiritual practice, and an unwavering commitment to inner growth. Here are practical steps that can guide you on this transformative path. Regular meditation is a key practice to cultivate God consciousness. It allows you to quiet the mind, connect with your inner self, and experience moments of divine presence. Meditation helps you tap into the universal wisdom that resides within. Living in the present moment is an essential component of God consciousness. Practicing mindfulness allows you to become fully aware of your thoughts, emotions, and experiences, enabling you to align with the divine flow of life. Spend time in self-reflection to uncover your beliefs, conditioning, and patterns that may be hindering your connection to God consciousness. Self-awareness is the first step towards transformation. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Recognize the beauty and abundance in your life, no matter how small, and express appreciation for it. Gratitude is a powerful tool to open your heart and connect with the divine. Extend kindness and compassion to others through acts of service. By helping those in need, you not only make a positive impact on the world, but also deepen your connection to the universal source of love. Explore spiritual texts and teachings that resonate with you. These can provide valuable insights and inspiration on your journey towards God consciousness. Contemplate their wisdom and integrate it into your daily life. Consider seeking the guidance of a spiritual mentor, coach, or teacher who can offer support and wisdom on your path. Having a guide can accelerate your spiritual growth and provide valuable insights. God consciousness is not an abstract or unattainable concept. It is a state of being that is within the reach of every individual. It is an invitation to recognize the divinity within ourselves and in all of creation. By ascending towards God consciousness, we step onto a path of enlightenment, transformation, and unity. I encourage you to embark on this journey of self-discovery. It is a path that can lead to inner peace, love, wisdom, and fulfillment. The pursuit of God consciousness is not a destination, but a continual process of growth and evolution, where each step brings you closer to the profound realization that you are an integral part of a loving, benevolent universe. Embrace the beauty of God consciousness and allow it to guide your life, for in doing so, you will experience the highest form of ascent, a journey toward the infinite and boundless source of love and wisdom that resides within you and in all things. We hope that this video has shed light on the transformative power of recognizing our divine connection to the universe. If you found this video inspiring and insightful, we kindly request your support. Please take a moment to like this video, as your appreciation fuels our commitment to sharing more profound insights in the future. Additionally, if you believe that this message can bring positivity and healing to someone you know, we encourage you to share it with them. Together, we can spread the wisdom of God consciousness to uplift others on their spiritual journey. We're genuinely interested in hearing about your experiences, questions, and insights on this topic. So, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Your thoughts and stories can be a source of inspiration for our entire community. Finally, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay connected with our ongoing exploration of spiritual growth, mindfulness, and self-realization. Once again, thank you for being a part of our spiritual community. Your support and engagement are deeply appreciated, and together we'll continue to ascend towards higher states of consciousness.